Hello everyone, Coach Joe here. And today's workout's going to be fire in the core. I'm going to start with a little bit of Tai Chi to get warmed up, then we'll get into intervals. See you there. Alright, let's get warmed up. Take a nice deep breath in, and down. Do that for me again, nice deep breath in, and down. And the arms come up. Bend at the elbows, gather in, rest down, sit in your cheek, take one foot, step out, just a little, to a shoulder width or so, and the arms come out in front of us, and drift back down. Take this hand, spin it around, make that circle. This hand will follow. Catch the moon, tracing the moon. Place that moon on a shelf over here. Tap this toe out. This hand will come out by the hips. Like wings, spreads wings. Scoop that moon back up. Place it on the shelf over here. Tap this toe out. And this hand comes down by the hips. Nice deep breath in, and now straight up, bend at the hips, and you let the seat bottom. So breath in, and down. Spread the wings. Leave it at the C bottom. And now bring it up. This hand comes up, this hand comes down, and this knee follows. There's a straight past. And down. Leave it at the C bottom. Up, pull that straight, and down, and sink the chi. Alright, now we're warmed up, and now let's get into our intervals. So we're going to start, the first exercise is going to be bicycle crunches. So we're going to lay down, and we're going to bring one knee up, and the other elbow to that knee. And nice deep breath in and out. And we're using the core and not our back or our elbows. Bring the core to bring the elbow to the knee and the knee to the elbow. Nice deep breath in. And out. 10 seconds. Alright, and now the next exercise is going to be sprint drops. It's going to be very similar. So we're going to lay down, we're going to spread out, sit up, one knee to the opposite elbow. One knee to the opposite elbow. Let's deep breath in and out. Gotta keep breathing. Stay with me. Deep breath in and out 5 seconds. got control. Alright, and the next exercise is going to be mountain climbers. So, we're going to come here into the plank position. We're going to bring one knee up and the other knee up. And go. Nice deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. You gotta keep breathing. Stay with me. Keep it up. 10 seconds. Alright. And the next exercise is going to be sit throughs. So we're going to come in this position here. We're going to have our knees up. So it's not a push-up position. It's kind of hang here. And we're going to take one foot, kick it out, come back, and kick the other foot out. And go. Deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. Alright, and now what we're going to be doing is bird dogs. So we're going to get on our hands and knees. We're going to reach one hand out and the other, the opposite foot. And we're going to hold that. 30 seconds. And go. Nice deep breath in. And out. And then we're going to do the other side. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Alright, and switch. Keep breathing. In and out. It's the opposite arm and foot. Deep breath in and out. And release. And back to bicycle crunches. Alright, let's go. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Seconds. Alright, and spin reps. Go. Keep breathing. Keep that control. Let's deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. And mountain climbers. Go. Let's deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Keep it up. Five seconds. And coming to sit throughs. And go. Let's deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. Alright, now let's cool this thing down with a little Tai Chi. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Now straight up, gather in, press down. Nice deep breath in. Bottom thrusters up, over. Let's close the door. See it in. Steps in, two palms together, and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next one.